Yep, I am. This is probably a bad idea.
Why? Oh, the ladder moved.
You should have had it braced against that fly. And now what are you gonna do?
What the heck do I need?
I don't have to. It's free will. You should have tied it.
It's stuck.
There was a broken branch up there too.
Okay, here it goes.
Alright, I'm gonna go over here. Where's the safe spot? Alright. Is it stuck?
I don't know.
Now what?
My arm's tired.
I bet.
Not free yet, is it?
So
Not much holding it.
it's stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let this down. Oh, it's free, James. It's free. That log has been howling all day.
Pulling the rope. It's stuck.
Whew. Careful. It's heavy. Don't let it go. How we get that right?
You guys are screwed. I'm good. You have to cut it into smaller pieces. Oh, you want me to put it back? Nope, it ain't going anywhere.
Still have to cut off that branch and that one.
Which one?
That one and that one.
This one and this one? Oh. Yeah, get Joey to do those. Okay. You're on your own now.
Oh, pull that branch off the driveway.
That branch is heavy. Cut it up and then I'll burn it in the backyard.
Okay, there was no injuries.
I don't know. I think I got rope burn.
Well, it's on the ground. Got a nice clear spot there.